What is difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP?
What is data cleaning?
What are slicer available in Excel?
What is the index?
So good afternoon.
Yes. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So Sakshi Sharma, right?
Yes, sir.
So Sakshi, please introduce yourself.
So my name is Sakshi Sharma. I am from Bisnoli and I have completed my bachelor's computer application and I am currently preparing for data analyst from Skillcare Academy.
Okay, so after completion of BCA,
Yes, sir.
why you are not planning to like continue your career in a development or web development industry or IT industry as well? Why you are planning to shift your career in data industry?
So actually I enjoy working with data and so is why I choose this.
I didn't get you. Sorry.
I enjoy working with data and find meaningful insights from data to help business growth or its career actually.
What do you mean by meaningful insight here?
uh, Meaningful insights we get from the data and
What do you mean by meaningful insight? Suppose you have a data, so
yes,
what is the meaningful insight if you are working on a data?
so like meaningful insight that research on the data we get from the data. It's meaningful insight. I have a data and I want to search. I have a sales about 15,000 and I want to sales low sales and I have low sales in 10,000 and I want to targeted in high sales in green color and low sales in red color.
So this is your meaningful insight.
No, sorry, this one is conditional for
Okay, so
sir.
how many
High
tools?
trends, sir, can you repeat? हाँ सर हाई ट्रेंड्स मॉडल्स वगैरह ये सब फाइंड करना डेटा कंपनी के बारे में उसके एवरेज सेल्स उसकी ग्रोथ सेल्स इन सब के बारे में फाइंड आउट करना.
Okay, how many tools you have covered till date?
सर
How many tools you have covered till date in data analytics course?
sir there are one tools completed Excel and SQL is on running.
Okay. Um, what is difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP?
If we want to extract information from particular table array in our new cell where we use VLOOKUP function, but XLOOKUP function when we have large data set where we use XLOOKUP function because in VLOOKUP function we need to give index numbers but in XLOOKUP function we don't require to give index number because with large data set it is not possible to give index numbers. So instead of this VLOOKUP we use XLOOKUP functions for large data sets.
Okay, so how would you remove duplicates, IDs in Excel?
Through the conditional formatting and also in view in data tab we remove the duplicates. In given tab there is an option remove duplicates. From there I remove the duplicates.
Okay, so what are slicer available in Excel? What kind of slicers available?
There are many kinds of slicer in Excel.
Can you name any 5 slicers? Okay, suppose you're working in an e-commerce company, right? They are providing like they are working on a online model, right? So if you're presenting a dashboard which is made on Excel only, so what KPI you will highlight in a dash, first top of the dashboard?
ई कॉमर्स कंपनी है उसमें हमें कौन कौन से KPIs हाईलाइट करूँ.
हाँ.
So can you repeat the question?
So you are working in an e-commerce company and you are preparing a dashboard, right? So what KPI you will highlight in a dashboard? Top
I
KPI.
okay. Average sales, total sales, and average sales, and unit sold, and average uh, unit sold,
Okay.
and total revenue.
Okay.
What is data cleaning?
Data cleaning is the process of preparing and refining raw data को into to make it accurate and consistent analyze for data.
How you can handle the missing information in the table?
I handle the missing information through the conditional formatting.
How you can handle suppose you have some data set where the some values missing in your sales column. So how you can handle those columns, those values?
Missing values. Now, firstly, I select the range complete data, and there are two ways to handle this. Firstly, I convert the table and go to the पावर क्वेरी के थ्रू कर सकते हैं हम इसको, और एक
What-
कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग के थ्रू.
What is Power Query?
पावर क्वेरी इज अ Power Query is a display where we cleaning the data, visualize the data, cleaning the data, and prepare data for the analysis.
What steps required for the analysis? Suppose you have any sales data, so what will be your first step?
Firstly, collect the data and then cleaning the data, fixing missing values, remove errors, and handling duplicates values. Then analyze the data logic function and text functions across links, and then visualize the data.
How you can merge two columns in Excel?
Um, by by text join function and functions of text function.
Okay. What is the syntax of VLOOKUP?
Um, lookup value, comma array, lookup value, comma table array, comma column index number, comma range lookup.
What is the index?
Uh, Index is an advanced level of lookup function. It is a replacement of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. It is used to find the value in both vertically and horizontally.
What difference between primary key and unique key?
Primary key is used to identify the table unique values in tables, and there is no duplicates values, and unique key there in the table where value is the unique in the table. uh, that's it.
What is data?
Data is a set of collection information, set of information.
Okay, so suppose you have some data set and in your file, in your Excel or CSV file, you have some missing details, like missing
Sorry.
rows. You have any sales file data and you have to create some report and dashboard. But first you have to remove the some missing information, the missing rows, the missing columns. So how you can remove the missing information, the missing blank rows using the Excel tool?
In Power Query, I remove the through the Power Query, I remove the missing values and errors and duplicates values. Select the data and then click on duplicates value, remove duplicates values. उसके थ्रू हम कर सकते हैं, एंड कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं रिमूव डुप्लीकेट्स.
What is merge and split in Power Query?
Merge is used to join text strings, and split is used to separate the text string to text strings. Like example,
Only we can merge the two text string values.
sorry ma'am,
Only we can merge the string type values.
no ma'am, all data types.
Okay. What is the mathematical function?
Mathematical functions is a type of function that is used to perform calculation on numbers.
What difference between SUMIF and SUMIFs?
Whenever we have to calculate the values on the basis of some criteria and condition, where there we use sum if function, but we have don't need, but we don't have some conditions and criteria. But there we want to find totals, so there we use sum function.
What is DML command in SQL?
So
DML.
DML stands for data manipulation language. It is used to manipulate the language. It is used to manipulate the function.
Types of commands in DML.
Select, select, create, delete, truncate. So truncate TDL. Delete, select, create, update.
What is update?
Update is a type of DML command. It is used to modify the data of exiting data. Modify the exiting data.
What difference between truncate and drop?
Truncate is used to delete the content of the table, but not the structure of the table. Whenever drop is used to delete the entire table with all include the structure.
Okay. And what is delete only?
Delete is used to delete a particular information of the specific column.
What is RDBMS?
RDBS stands for Relation Database Management System.
Okay. So like what kind of data we can store in the RDBMS software?
Sorry.
What kind of data we can store in the RDBMS software?
In the RDBS, we can store the structured data.
What do you mean by structured data?
Structured data is a type of data where the data in the form of rows and columns. Example: e-commerce, banking, healthcare.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, Sakshi. So, Sakshi, why we select you in the company?
Sorry, sir.
Why we select you in the company? Why we select you?
Sir, I have the skills which help to companies grow.
That's it. Okay. Suppose you are selected in a company and you are representing dashboard to the board of directors, and your board of directors say like you are presenting a wrong dashboard. So how would you manage this kind of situation?
So firstly, I check the my query, I check my calculations and dashboards, and if there is some mistake, I say that I can handle this, and फिर मैं I have break down the calculations and dashboards problems, and then solve it and then merge it.
Okay. Are you comfortable for relocation?
So, sir,
Are you comfortable for relocation? We have a vacancy in Hyderabad, not in Delhi.
sir, if the job is suitable according to my skills and requirement, I am comfortable in Hyderabad.
And night shift?
So, sir, I am not comfortable in night shift.
Okay, why? We have a client, we have a US client, we have a Canadian clients, so where we need to provide our services in night hours.
I can provide the service in night, but work from home, not official.
Okay, any question for us, Sakshi? ठीक है साक्षी, कैसा रहा आपका इंटरव्यू? डन फ्रॉम माय साइड. कैसा रहा इंटरव्यू आपका? व्हाट इज योर फीडबैक? बताइए.
आज
What you feel?
फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा मतलब आज बोल पाई हूँ, और बाकी के टाइम पे नर्वस होती थी, पैनिक होती थी एज कम्पेयर टू प्रीवियस. आज फिर भी बहुत बेटर था. मैं बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन थे जिन्हों का जवाब नहीं दे पाई हूँ, बट एज कम्पेयर टू प्रीवियस मैंने उससे तो काफी बेटर के।
ठीक है साक्षी, सी देर आर टू टाइप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट। एक आपका खुद के साथ इम्प्रूवमेंट है, लाइक कि मैं कल कैसी थी और उसके कंपेयर में मैंने आज कैसा परफॉर्म किया।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो अगर आप कल के कंपेयर में आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया मीन्स यू आर इम्प्रूविंग। बट क्या मेरा, अगर लेकिन मैं इफ़ आई सी द आउटर वर्ल्ड, तो मुझे उसके हिसाब से भी कंपटीशन करना है।
यस सर।
सो ऐसा तो नहीं कि मेरा बेस बहुत ही कम है तो उसके हिसाब से मैं ग्रो कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, यू आर डेवलपिंग, ठीक है, यू आर ग्रोइंग, बट लेकिन आज की डेट में जो रिक्वायरमेंट है इंडस्ट्री, उसके हिसाब से क्या मेरी ग्रोथ हो रही है या मेरा जिस पेस के साथ मैं ग्रो कर रहा हूँ, डेवलप कर रहा हूँ, क्या वो सही है। सो साक्षी अभी उस लेवल पे हम बहुत पीछे हैं।
यस सर।
ठीक है, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ना नहीं सुनना चाहती है।
यस
आपने जैसे बोला कि नाइट शिफ्ट के लिए कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो,
सर।
तो हो सकता है कि आपको रिजेक्ट कर दे। ठीक है, उनको लोग ऐसे चाहिए डायनेमिक्स। डायनेमिक लोग मीन्स कि दे आर ओके विथ एवरी कंडीशन,
यस सर।
दे आर ओके विद द रिलोकेशन, दे आर ओके विद द नाइट शिफ्ट, दे आर ओके विद द मॉर्निंग अर्ली मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, किसी भी तरह की शिफ्ट के लिए वो ओके हो। ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे आप रेजिड होगे वो भी रेजिड हो जाएगा, तो वो हायर नहीं करेगा आपको। ठीक है, तो वो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस चेक करना चाह रहा है, कितना फ्लेक्सिबल हो वो चेक करना चाह रहा है। इट्स नॉट मीन कि वो आपको नाइट शिफ्ट ही देगा, वो आपका चेक कर रहा है कि आप कितने कंफर्टेबल हो, कितने फ्लेक्सिबल हो। ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस पे काम करना है साक्षी। टेक्निकल पार्ट्स पे भी यू आर लैकिंग समवेयर, तो उस पर भी काम करना है। ठीक है, तो ये आपका पहला इंटरव्यू है। आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू आपके बहुत अच्छे जाएंगे।
श्योर।
ठीक है,
साक्षी, एक्सेल में तो आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें मतलब कर रहे हो क्लियर, मतलब आपने एक्सप्लेन किया है, बट कुछ आप उसमें एग्जांपल्स को ऐड करोगे तो ज़्यादा वो रहेगा। ठीक है, सामने वाले को भी समझ में आएगा, चीज़ें आपको लिए भी क्लियर होगा। थोड़ा इस पे फोकस करो, और जो कुछ डेफिनेशन वगैरह है जैसे एक्सेल्स में आपने डेटा क्लीनिंग बताया, आप बता रहे हो लेकिन वहाँ पे शो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा आपको क्लियर है, थोड़ा उस पॉइंट पे भी फोकस करो। ठीक है, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लाना है।
थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट को देखते हैं जो भी है। ठीक है।